Mastering nouns. Distinguishing countable from uncountable. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new lesson. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of English grammar, which is countable and uncountable nouns. Our main aim in this video is to identify which nouns are countable and which are uncountable, and understand their correct usage. Let's dive in. Countable nouns, as the name suggests, are the things we can count. They can be singular or plural. Examples include cat, book, apple. You can have 1 cat, 2 books, or 3 apples. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are items that we cannot count because they are often seen as wholes or mass. They are always singular. Examples include music, information, water. We cannot say 2 musics, 3 informations, or 4 waters. Now that we've defined these terms, let's practice how to distinguish between them. We'll begin with identifying countable nouns. The easiest way to identify countable nouns is to see if they can take the plural form, or be used with a number. For instance, consider the sentence, I have 3 dogs. Here, dogs is a countable noun because we can quantify it. Activity. I will list some words, and I want you to identify whether they are countable nouns. The words are chair, happiness, bag, music, car, advice. Next, let's focus on uncountable nouns. These are often ideas, concepts, materials, or substances. They cannot be used with a number or in the plural form. An example sentence could be, I need some information. Here, information is an uncountable noun because it cannot be quantified. Activity. Now, it's your turn again. Identify whether the following words are uncountable nouns. Water, sugar, music, cars, books, love. Interestingly, there are some nouns that can be both countable and uncountable, depending on their context. For example, chocolate is countable when referring to individual pieces, I ate 2 chocolates, and uncountable when referring to the substance, I love chocolate. Activity. Let's see if you can find more examples of such words. Hint. Consider words related to food and drink. That's it for today's lesson. We've covered the key differences between countable and uncountable nouns, and practiced identifying them. This should help improve your grammar and make your English sound more natural. Remember, practice is key when it comes to language learning. Keep practicing these concepts and you will master them in no time. Until our next video, happy learning!